is up? Welcome back to the channel. We are fresh back from mini nats. Oh, I hate GoPro. I was just talking for like a minute and it wasn't even recording. That's cool. Anyway, what do we got going on today? The S10 is done. Mostly. I got cut out bumper brackets last night or the other night. Cut out the bumper brackets to bolt the bumper to the new back half because the old bumper brackets didn't swoop up enough. Whatever, it's custom. But that's pretty much done. Corey, the owner, is going to take it back to his house on Shop Air. We're just gonna hook it up, lift it up. He lives like 5 minutes away. And then they're gonna do all the plumbing and wiring for valves, which he's running manual valves on it now, I think. But yeah, so that's pretty much done and getting out of here. This, take a look. Got the front tubs tacked in, and then we are going to move on to the back and getting that sheeted in. I know I've been talking about it, but I wasn't 100% sure how I wanted to do it because we are trying to run the back seat back there, the third row seat. So we got that this week, and then we also have 21 trophies to do for the Maryland Mayhem show, which if you haven't heard about it, or if you did hear about it, make sure you go, because it looks like it's going to be a pretty good turnout, and fingers crossed that the weather is going to be good. So yeah, we're going to try to finish up the trophies today, get the rest of it cut out. I'm doing the club trophies and 3 of the sponsored trophies that they're all going to have a pick for the show. If you want a cool trophy, make sure you bring your truck out and get there. Let's just get to work. The mini nats video should be out soon. I see a lot of people are putting out videos, you know, give it a couple weeks or so before I actually go and throw out a video. I mean, which in the credits at the end of the ballistic video, we did miss a couple people, or at least one person we know we missed, which was Nick Daly from Fab. I don't know how we missed him because he played a pretty vital role in that truck as far as the chassis, suspension stuff. But that was definitely a cool opportunity to be able to film that before the show and then film the reveal for Randy, kind of play a little prank on him, which is what was at the beginning of that, is kind of sneaking it into the show, which he thought it was going to be in the trailer in the morning. So yeah, that was pretty fun. Sorry, Randy, but it was still fun. What I'm saying is the mini nats video will be out soon. I have 500 clips to go through and edit. Right now that doesn't pay weekly, so I got to get these trucks done, edit the video at night. Just a lot of work, but we don't get any work done by just talking now, do we? No. So let's just get to work. Right now, I gotta send some stickers out to a guy from the show that came up to me, and I didn't have stickers on me when he said hi. So Willie, stickers are in the mail. cutting pieces of the stands out for the trophies, and for some reason when I cut thicker metal out with the plasma, it tends to wear the electrodes out, or the tips out, or electrodes out pretty quick. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the settings. I mean, they should be good for 50 amps. I ordered a bunch from Amazon. They don't work. I ordered some from Everlast. They're not here yet. But I went to just take the electrode out of my torch, and it stripped the electrode, and hopefully, I think it just left the threads inside the torch, but I can't get them out, so now I have to go buy a M5 tap, because I have a standard tap kit, but not a metric tap set. So now I'm going to Lowe's to buy that, and to take these back. It's a Monday, that's all I can say. It's definitely a Monday. Alright guys, so what am I doing here? I think I mentioned this, that the gas tank was flat up against the floor, so we need a little bit of clearance room for the fuel pump hoses. So it's the easier way to just kind of raise the floor about 2 inches right there, just to give it some clearance room. And then once I got the gas tank up and put the nozzle in, I realized that I didn't have a direct line to the filler neck, from the filler neck to the gas tank. So we're gonna bump that little section up right here with that. So now, because we're bumping that up, we have to take 2 inches out of the filler neck itself and raise that up. Little things you gotta do to make custom work. Before I fully weld it up, fit her in there, do a little test fit. Probably gonna need a longer filler hose, which we'll get that. But essentially, what we got now is gas that will go into the gas tank. And then once we put our plate over there, we have adequate room. So yeah, this is the enjoyable part, right? Just all the fine tuning of stuff. But that's why we do it, right? We like to have fun. And boy, is sheet metal fun. That is all for this week. Again, it's now Monday, so I have to hurry up and get this out. But yeah, so the rest of this week, we're gonna get that sheet metal buttoned up in the Suburban. We're basically getting ready for the Maryland Mayhem show, if you're gonna be around for that. I got the trophies all done. I made this. So, as you can see, it's about 18 inches long. That's gonna be one of the raffle prizes, but I'm also gonna put those on the website for sale. So if anybody wants one of them, I might just do like an option with the truck, a mini truck and just that option, or both of them together. But yeah, that'll be pretty cool. So we'll have that. So as you can see, the S10 is gone. I didn't get a video of it rolling out. Yeah, just keep watching. I'll have the mini nuts video out soon whenever I work on it. Yeah. Keep watching. Make sure you do all the YouTube stuff. Like, subscribe. If you think my videos are a waste of time, definitely subscribe. That way I can waste more of your time, according to the comment on the ballistic video. So yeah, I like wasting time. Why not? But yeah, thanks for watching. Until next week, grind on. See ya. Standing by your side with my heart on high drive.